West Bengal School Service Commission has released the recruitment notification to fill up 1749 vacancies as headmaster and headmistress. Region-wise vacancies are given here. Eastern region 431, Northern region 333, Southern region 304, Western region 417, Southeastern region 264. Totally 1749 vacancies are available under this recruitment process. Let us check the eligibility details. The educational qualification to apply for these jobs is the applicant should have master's degree or PG with minimum 50% marks and 10 years teaching experience. The age of the applicant should be below 55 years as on 1st January 2017. The application fee to apply for these jobs is for general and OBC candidates 1000 rupees and for SC ST physically handicapped candidates should have to pay 750 rupees and bank charges 5 rupees. How to apply? The eligible candidates can go to the website of www.westbengalssc.com and apply online before 27 June 2017. I will explain the complete step-by-step procedure. Important dates about this recruitment process. The online application process starts from 13 June 2017 and ends on 27 June 2017. Last date of deposit of application fee is 30 June 2017. Fees payments through cash e-challan opening after 24 hours of submission of online application form. For more details of this notification and to apply online, go to the link below facebook.com bank exam tips. Let us check the official notification. Let us check the official notification of West Bengal School Service Commission recruitment 2017 for headmaster headmistress posts. To view this, go to the website of www.westbengalssc.com. You can get the complete information about this recruitment process, information brochure, first SLST Headmaster Headmistress 2017 and detailed notice of this notification and summary of vacancies and public notice. And if you want to apply online, go to the link online application for headmaster headmistress post and you can check the syllabus and you can check the general information from here. First we will check the detailed notification, complete notification details of this recruitment process. This is the official notification of this recruitment process for headmaster headmistress posts. There are 1749 vacancies are available under this recruitment process. They have given the complete information. Submission of online application starts from 13 June 2017 and ends on 27. Already we have discussed. The date of written exam will be announced later. And fees, application fee to apply for these jobs given here. This is also we have discussed earlier. For general OBC candidates 1000 rupees and SC ST physically handicapped 750 rupees. And selection procedure also they have mentioned. The selection will be made on the basis of written examination, evaluation of academic and professional qualifications and experience of the candidates in teaching and personality test to be determined by the commission. Written examination will be conducted for 60 marks, academic qualifications, professional qualifications 28 marks and experience 5 marks. Personality test will be conducted for 7 marks, totally 100 marks. And the vacancy details are given here. Region wise vacancy details are given here. 1749 vacancies are available. Scale of pay, salary details will be as per government rules. Examination venues will be informed letter through commission's website. Eligibility details, educational qualification to apply for these jobs is for headmaster, headmistress of high school, higher secondary school. Educational qualification should be master's degree from the recognized university, at least with minimum 50% marks, or postgraduate, and 10 years teaching experience. And this is the official notification details. Important notes for the candidates are given. Candidates can only apply online. Candidates can only apply online for state level selection test for appointment to the posts of headmaster, headmistress 2017. This is the official notification. You can check here. And if you want to check how to apply for these jobs, first of all, click on this. Go to the site of westbengalssc.com and click on this button, online application for headmaster and headmistress post. Click on this. You will get this form. Click on this, apply now. Then fill the primary information about name of candidate, father's name, medium of vacancy applying for, candidate category, gender, and then click on save and next button. Then you will get the personal information screen, personal information form. Fill those details, personal information, and then click on save and next. Then you will get the photo uploading form and then payment of fee. And finally click on submit button. If you want to check the syllabus for the exam, click on this link. You will get syllabus for headmaster, headmistress for higher secondary schools. You will get syllabus for the written exam. State level selection test for headmaster, headmistress posts. Syllabus of written examination for the post of headmaster, headmistress of higher secondary schools. General awareness, current affairs relating to school education, and the questions will be asked under 4 parts: general awareness and current affairs relating to school education, English, mathematics, issues in school management. Details of syllabus and question pattern are given below. Part 1, in general awareness and current affairs relating to school education section, 15 marks. Check here the complete syllabus for this exam. Part 2, English, and Part 3, Maths, and Part 4, issues in school management. This is the syllabus. If you want to check the vacancy details, click on the summary of vacancy link. From here you can view the vacancies. Eastern region female 83, male female, like this they have given clearly. Totally 1749 vacancies. For latest updates, please subscribe Bank Exam Tips YouTube channel. Click on subscribe button so that you can able to get my updated videos directly into your Gmail.